Okay folks, we're looking at a 2001 Ford E350, all blinged out with all the toys, with all the bells and whistles. It's got a 7.3 legendary diesel Powerstroke turbo. These motors last like 1,000,000 miles. You take care of them, they'll last forever. We got two 50-inch LED light bars. I got blue covers on them. Those come off and make them completely white. Just kind of up there as a decor to match the color of the vehicle. The vehicle's dark blue. We got running lights. All the lights in the running lights are LEDs, multi-diodes. We got a 2-foot tall rack with LED rope lighting on dimmer switches. As you can see, we got fireballs inside the vehicle. It's not real fire, it's just simulated. We got marker lights, they all got LED bulbs in them. There's icicles inside the vehicle, light icicles. On the back we got various running lights, LEDs, also on the toolbox. It's got a triple hitch, ladder. This thing's really dressed out. It's got a camper site, got a 10x10 custom-made waterproof army green canvas that goes over the side on the hooks there with some drop downs. Let's get inside the vehicle. We've got dimmers on all this stuff in here. Got your icicles, your rope lighting, your flame balls. We got an LED fireplace, neon clock, and the vehicle is equipped with some pretty hellacious sounds. I got a 625 amp speaker that we can power, and it's like being in a nightclub. So this vehicle is for sale, and that's pretty much it. It's got 122,000 miles, which is pretty much just broke in for a 7.3. If you do your research on your 7.3s, you'll find out how legendary they are. They use them in commercial vehicles, buses, and various other vehicles because they last forever. But it's a beauty. This thing turns heads everywhere I go. It's just been kind of a passion. Probably still will come up with more bells and whistles for it, but for right now, it looks pretty sweet. So there you have it. 2001 Ford E350 7.3 Powerstroke turbo diesel.